Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. It's getting rainy and stuffy these days. Let us share a dish that is sour and some ginger to soften the dampness. The lemon ginger chicken wings. Let's see how it cooks. For ingredients we have chicken wings, lemon, shallot, ginger, and garlic. First, wash and soak the chicken wings in salt water. After the ice has melted, the chicken wings are washed with salt to remove the frozen smell. Then dry them up with kitchen paper. Now slice the lemon after removing the tip of it. Then wash the ginger with skin and then slide it as well. Followed by shallot and garlic. After the pan has heated, add some oil and place the chicken wings into the pan. Flip the chicken wings once they have been slightly fried. Then add the ginger, shallot, and garlic slice. Chicken wings don't need to be fried for too long, as it will be easier for it to absorb the color from the sauce. Once aromatic, add wine to the pan. Then add oyster sauce, dark sauce, slab sugar, and brown sugar. Use excess slab sugar to replace brown sugar if unavailable. Lastly, add the lemon slice and start to boil. JAR tips: remember to not add excess water, but do check and stir every 2 to 3 minutes to prevent it from burning. Boil for around 8 to 10 minutes. Once the chicken wings are cooked, you're ready to go. So appetizing and yummy. Good for elderly and kids in a hot damn summer day. If you also like this lemon ginger chicken wings, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We will share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again. Bye bye.